This is Noble Notary and Legal Document Preparers, and this is your video about saying yes to everything.
We are at Weeki Wachee Springs today. It is the last day of our little spring break staycation. So, of course, we're going to have fun with the family, but we want to give you some quick notary knowledge.
Yes. So, saying yes to everything, and why should you say yes to everything? So if you say yes to every offer, every job, if you're just starting out, this is going to get your feet wet. This is going to give you experience. This is going to gain you confidence. Also, this is going to put money in your pocket, right? So even if it's a lower offer, which a little bit further down, we're going to tell you to say no to those offers. Right now, say yes. Gain the experience. Make those connections with people. So say yes. That's exactly how we started our business model, and we suggest it to you as well.
Exactly. Now we have gotten ourselves into a position now where we do say no to things and we take higher ticket things, but you want to start somewhere. I do see a lot of people complain about what they call low ball offers, and we don't ignore that when you're starting out. When you're starting out, make those connections, because you will meet new people. You will make connections with loan officers, with title companies, and the customer, the end consumer. Those will be relationships that you'll develop that'll be business keep coming back. So definitely starting out, when you're starting up, it's important to just try to get as much as you can, and then you can be selective as time goes on. That is, I think, your tip for the day.
Yep.
We do have some bigger, more in-depth videos coming. Of course, it is vacation, so we just wanted to drop that knowledge.
They live a happy and gentle life. It's a wonderful place to live.